In a world where life itself melts beneath the blazing sun, one creature walks calmly, like a ghost made of endurance, the camel. A being so strange, so perfectly engineered, that even modern science struggles to explain its brilliance. You've seen it carry men and goods across deserts. But what if I told you the camel is not just a survivor? It's a biological masterpiece that breaks every rule of life itself. Chapter 1. The Living Desert Tank. Imagine walking 100 kilometers under 50 centigrade heat, without a sip of water. Now imagine doing it for 2 weeks straight. The camel doesn't imagine? It does it. This creature can lose up to 40% of its body water, a level that would kill any other mammal, and still keep moving. Its blood cells? Not round like ours, but oval, shaped like tiny boats, designed to flow smoothly even when dehydration thickens its blood. And when it finally finds water, it can drink 200 liters in just 3 minutes. That's like you chugging a bathtub's worth of water and feeling fine. No tank on Earth matches this efficiency. Nature built the first real desert vehicle, long before humans built engines. Chapter 2. The Armor of the Sun. Look at its eyelashes. Long double-layered curtains against the burning sand. Its nostrils? They close like submarine hatches during sandstorms. And the humps? Those mysterious towers on its back. No, they don't store water. They store pure fat. More than 36 kilograms in one hump, like a built-in fuel tank. When food is gone, that fat burns slowly, releasing both energy and water, yes, water, as a chemical byproduct. That's how a camel survives when others collapse. Their thick coat actually keeps heat out, not in like a desert cloak of armor. And when the temperature drops at night to near freezing, the same coat keeps it warm. A creature that defies thermodynamics itself. Chapter 3. Breath of Survival. Ever wonder how they conserve water even while breathing? Every exhale passes through their nasal passages, cooled and condensed, recycling the moisture from each breath. No drop wasted. And that smell? That faint desert musk? It's actually biological sunscreen, oils that protect their skin from sunburn. Humans invented SPF in the 20th century. Camels have worn it for millions of years. Chapter 4. The Genius of Adaptation. The camel's mind is just as fascinating as its body. It remembers water sources and routes across hundreds of kilometers, like a living GPS system. It can smell water from 50 miles away. And its temperament? Calm, intelligent, loyal, until pushed too far. Anger a camel and it remembers you. For years, many herders will tell you, if you strike a camel unjustly, it might one day corner you. Patiently, silently. They call it the revenge of the desert. Chapter 5. The Ancient Ally. Long before the wheel reached the desert, camels carried civilizations. They connected empires. From Arabia to India, from North Africa to China. The Silk Road? It wasn't built on stone. It was carved by camel feet. Arab warriors once said, "A man with a camel has a kingdom." Because without camels, the desert itself was impassable, a wall of death. Even their milk was survival, full of insulin-like proteins that help regulate blood sugar. Modern scientists are studying camel milk to treat diabetes and immunity disorders. What ancient tribes called blessing from God now interests modern medicine. Chapter 6. The Desert Super Machine. Camels can carry up to 600 kilograms across deadly terrain. Their soft, padded feet act like natural snowshoes, preventing them from sinking in sand. They can run at 65 kilometers per hour, faster than a racehorse in short bursts, yet burn only a fraction of the energy. Their bodies don't overheat until 41 centigrade, while humans faint at 38 centigrade. They can delay sweating until absolutely necessary, conserving every precious molecule of water. And even their urine, thick like syrup to save moisture. Their dung, so dry, desert nomads once used it directly as fuel. Still warm, still burning. No waste, no weakness. Every cell, every breath, every step, optimized for survival. Chapter 7. Legacy of the Camel. From the shimmering sands of the Sahara to the icy plains of Mongolia's Bactrian camels with 2 humps, enduring temperatures below 40 C, camels are the true kings of extremes. They've watched empires rise and fall. They've carried prophets, warriors, merchants, and now tourists. But today, Their world is shrinking. Climate change, habitat loss, and neglect threaten these desert titans. Once they ruled the dunes, now they wait on the edge of extinction in silence. So next time you see a camel, don't just see a strange creature with a hump. See a miracle carved by fire, wind, and time. A living machine of survival and the silent soul of the desert. Discover the shocking truth about camels, nature's ultimate survival machine. From drinking 200 liters of water in minutes to walking 100 kilometers without rest, this creature is a living miracle of evolution. A cinematic journey through one of Earth's most underestimated animals.